Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. This is not only the ringtone volume panel, this is also the notification volume panel. And we can mute the notifications by swipe this dot to the left side, but we'll mute not only notifications, we'll mute also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones here and you want to mute only your notifications, for example, just unmute the ringtone and notification volume panel, then click here to advanced, tap to default notification sound, and switch your currently notification sound to known. Then click here to OK to save the changes, and here we can see that we just saved we have now set the notification sound, and by this way we can mute our device notifications and we can stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.